Hello everyone! So, I'm with homie Ender Dragon, and today we are going to do some Bed Wars, and I'm actually really nervous because I've not done this in a long time, and I'm afraid I'm gonna die. So, yeah, this is homie Ender Dragon. Make sure to subscribe to him, and yeah, let's get started on Bed Wars. So, I need some blocks. Let's see if I can still speed bridge. Oh! I can still speed bridge, luckily. Please. No! Oh my god! I almost fell! Okay, so they're building over to us. Get ready. Get ready! Dragon! They're building over! Oh god, they're building over. But luckily, we have endstone. Oh, you got him? Oh, no, get out of here. Oh, whoa. Pro gamer, building over. This time, I'm gonna go from above. Dang. Alright. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, cool! Just spray uses. Alright, anything else? Can I upgrade? No, 4 diamonds. Any gold? Oh, cool, these little trap. Oh, that one guy used TNT. Oh shit. No, nice, Dragon! Nice! I'm going full screen. Yes! Oh. Alright, I can get a stones and get chain. Oh, where are you? Oh, you're right there! Oh, rip. Alright, he's coming over to us. I swear. Boo! You die! Get out of here! Sir, dude, there's something wrong with my internet. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. I guess so. It was laggy last night. Who cares? I'm gonna get done. Build up a little bit. I do not feel like speed bridging at the moment. Alright, Dragon, I got diamonds. Can you throw me some blocks? Dragon, can you throw me some blocks? I'm kinda break. Oh, come on. Alright, thank you. Alright, break it. No, I'll break it. I think we can get blue. I think we can. Let's try getting blue first. Yes, thank you, and TNT. You're oh. Wait. Oh my god. If you were actually stuck there. Oh, okay, we need to start attacking. We gotta start attacking. I'm heading over to mid. Alright, I'm at middle. Any emeralds? Alright, 2 emeralds. Alright, I'm feeling really nervous. Alright, 4s, 1, maybe a couple more. Oh, 4 diamonds. Not. All right. What can I do with emeralds? Let's check it. Reinforce. Oh, nice. Irons. Wait, I thought I collected the diamonds. What? Wait. Oh my god. Gimme. Oh god! Watch out! Alright, they need a... Boom, exactly. Get him! Oh my god, get out of here. He's on 1 heart. You can get one of them. Yes! Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright, let's get him. Get him. They're good. Get him. I'm at their base. Oh my god, get out of here. One of them is at their base. I'm gonna watch them. Alright, they're gonna go over to our base. Oh wait, they really want to kill us. I just need 1 more gold. It should be gold. Okay. Alright, nice. I get chain armor and some TNT. Alright, dragon, let's attack them. There's only 1 of them currently. Alright, I'm gonna get blocks. Alright, let's attack them. There's only 1 of them at their base. Dragon, come on, let's go. We can get him. Only 1 of them. Alright, you go in first. I have the TNT. Distract them, and I'll use TNT. Yo. Go. Fall back. Go. Come on, get him. Got it, kill him. Get him. Okay, let's go. Yo, that was so good. Oh shit, they're at a base. Oh my god, it's great. Alright, got 1 of them. Yo! Oh my god. Alright, yo, we got a team out. Let's go. Gray. Alright, yellow is coming for you. Yellow's coming for you. We got a team up. Come on. Oh, rip. Oh, God, they're building a wall.
Build that wall.
We need to get TNT. Dragon, if you have 4 gold, that would be nice. They're building a wall. Do you have blocks? I'm just gonna keep doing this. Come on, buddy. Dragon! Alright. If you had extra... If you have any extra blocks, that would be really nice. If you have any... Oh god, teammate. Yo, you're... Dragon, please, I can't hold him off. Whoa, that was not me. Dragon. Alright, you're... Please, get over here. Please, I can't hold them both. Please, get over here. Please, get over here. Dragon! Oh my god! Oh my we're going for a base. They're really defensive, that bloody wall. I'm not. You out of here! Just get out of this game. My God! You attack. Are you kidding? Get out of this game! Get out of this game! Now we have 2 people. Yeah, my God, this game is so laggy! Dude, this game is so laggy! This game is so laggy! This game is so laggy! Thank you all for watching. My brain really hurts. My brain really hurts. Dragon, where are you? Where are you, Dragon? Wait, Dragon, where'd you go? Literally, my brain hurts. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My brain hurts so much. It literally hurts. I lost so many brain cells. Alright, so I'll do this again sometime when I rest my brain. Yeah, subscribe to Homie Ender Dragon. Go to his server, I'll link in the description. Yeah, I'll see you later. Sheldon out.